guys! Welcome back to Cute Kid Cooking, which I realize is usually Cute Kid Baking, but oh well. We have special guest today. Who is it? Graham! Yeah, we broke the board.
Today we're going to make cookies.
We haven't gone anywhere, we're just staying in our house. Yeah, we're gonna make what kind of cookies? Do you know?
You show them.
Oatmeal Cream Pie cookies. I'm sure they won't be as good as Little Debbie, but we are going to try. So we've already softened 2.5 sticks of butter. Now we got to do the sugars. We're going to cream these in a little bit. So we're going to get 1 cup of dark brown sugar and then a 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar. All right, so we will be right.
Oh, you can hold on.
Yeah, hold it. There you go. Cream, baby, cream. Get it all fluffy. You think you can do it? I think you can. Ooh. Is it working? All right. We're going to cream in 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. How's it looking?
Good.
All right, you got to mix it again, okay? Can you get the mixer?
You get your fork so we can.
Yeah, let's put the fork to the side. We'll
Here we
mix,
go.
mix, mix.
I'm gonna take this fork, do a little number like that.
Swooshy swoosh.
Better get it somewhere.
All off the side. Patience.
Just 1 minute.
Patience, patience. Oh man, she's excited.
Go ahead, man.
All right, go for it. Girl, look at you.
Crane, have 1 second. We got some gunk on our hand.
Oh, can you do it?
A little gunk on my hand. I'll be right
Just
back.
little one. There you go. Job.
Good job. Just hold it.
Well done.
The whisk broke.
The whisk broke, so we're just going to use a big fork for now. So the wet ingredients are over there. Now we're going to work on the dry ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's add next, Emma, 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Look at this, guys. This is a towel.
Whoa, it's a tower of flour. A tower of flour.
This looks like snow. See, guys, it looks like snow.
Ready? Can you dump that in for me? Guess the salt. 1/2 teaspoon salt. And 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I gotta get the fork.
This is big, guys.
Not very much cinnamon, is it?
Look at this, guys.
Oh, sorry, Emma.
I don't want that. I want this.
1. We need 2 more. 2. What comes next? 1, 2. Who is 3 here?
Me.
Yeah. Good job. All right. Get that all mixy mixy. They call for 1/4 of ground cloves, but I don't like cloves. And if it's only 1/4 of a teaspoon, that's not much to make a difference anyway, in my opinion. Next, we got to do 3 cups of oats. Quick oats, not whole oats. So we're gonna do that. We'll be right back. Whoa. Alrighty, we're gonna put in the wet
You gonna put a little bit
or
of
the
it?
dry with the wet.
Are you gonna put a little bit?
A little bit at a time, I bet, is probably best. Alright, ladies. Mixy mixy. Now I'm gonna go attend to this.
Okay, we're gonna mix this, and then we'll come back to that.
Alright,
Okay?
we can do this.
Ready?
Alright, mix it, girls. Mix it.
Got it? Get it on?
You push it. Push it real good.
There you are.
Oh,
You wanna hold on to it?
well done. Emma has bailed. I don't blame her. So I am going to take this beautiful mixture Gran and Emma have made. And I'm going to make scooped out here, 3 inches apart. Yeah, right. With a large cookie scooper. Yeah, right. I don't know how to use this thing. Oh well. reverse that. I do know how to use a cookie scoop. What? I'm shocked. So we're gonna put these in the oven until they're, you know, nice. I think it's like 11 minutes, 9 to 11 or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Here are our beautiful cookies. So next step is gonna be the cream filling. Woohoo! Yum yum. Okay, we've creamed 1.5 sticks of butter.
Okay.
We're working on 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. Confectioners. Ready, Emma?
That's what. That's one.
That's one.
Daddy, don't talk.
What?
I cook one go-go.
Oh no!
What happened?
What happens when you call her that?
She triggers me.
Yes, she does.
Do I do this?
I gotta go-go.
Do I do this?
That's very funny.
I
But
can-
stop tickling. You gotta do some bacon.
Okay, gotta do another cup.
All right, we're gonna mix that up.
This
Then
is
we've
number
got
2.
vanilla and a little pinch of
Number
salt
2.
and heavy cream. We gotta do 3 tablespoons of heavy cream or more if it doesn't get creamy enough. Then we'll have cream.
Try this again.
Hey, you're supposed to be helping.
Well, I decided to be doing a craft with some straws.
With reusable straws? Oh dear. How's it looking, Gran?
I think we just need to clean these off, and
right,
we
ma'am.
might be ready to.
Ooh, Emma, we're gonna make our cookie sandwiches. Get ready,
Clean
cookies.
off.
We're coming.
Um,
Taste test.
how's it taste?
Yeah. Okay. Should we put them on the cookies? Let's do it.
Wait a minute.
What? Oh yeah, you better put those away.
There you go, Emma. Look, it went right on there. Do you need another spoon to get it off, though? That might work. Maybe. Here, I'll do this for you, Emma.
Gotta
You
do
got
1.5 tablespoons on the bottom of the cookie.
Good job.
Put the top on.
She knows what she's doing.
Mm. But they are very chewy, so
And be a little gentle.
I think it needs more than 1.5. I want a lot, y'all. I know it's pretty sweet. You're right.
Well, I
Two.
just don't know if it's going to be enough.
Want to use some?
Can
Yeah, you're
I?
right. You don't want to overpower.
Can I put a little bit of this on here like this?
Wait, I want to do it.
Okay, you do it.
That
Here, I'm gonna put a little more.
is what we're dealing with. Oh, look. Does that look delicious? No offense, but like this is close to like for real. Little Debbie. Little Debbie.
There you go, Em. Spread it
That's your
around.
number, little Deb. Thank you, Sally's Baking Addiction or whatever. Alright, we're gonna keep cooking. We'll see you when it's done. Oh, you get the leftover? You're lucky, but we're more lucky because look at those. Oh, Emma, we did good. I'm so glad Gran was here to help us, or we'd be in trouble.
No, you would have been fine.
No, that looks so good. Woohoo! Alright. Those are oatmeal cream pie cookies. We did that. Wowzers. That is crazy. I think we're gonna, I don't know, I like them cold, so I think we'll put them in the fridge, even though you don't have to apparently until like it's been 2 days, but I like them cold, so that's what we're gonna do. Emma's sitting on some bottles of pop, eating the leftover cream. That's 1 spoon down.
Mom, you can eat the rest of it.
I probably shouldn't. Corona. Just kidding. So, alright, thank you for joining us for another kitchen adventure. Now I have gooey, creamy. There's Daddy. Adventure of cute kid cooking. Thank you, Gran, for being in our video and coming to help me finish grading. I don't want that. So anyway, do all the things you usually do if you haven't already. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and watch some more videos if you're bored and so forth. So, alright. Thank you for watching, and this reminded me of the Wookiee cookies that are at Backlot Express. So Disney's Just a Dream Away, and it was an adventure. So adventure is out there! Yay! And okay, thanks for watching. Bye, friends. Emma, you want to say bye, friends?